And it's raining over there, but not here where I'm at. Look at it hitting those roofs over there. Look at this part. Okay, woo. Okay. Wow, look at that wind. It was really whipping up over here. Oh, here it comes. I'm getting ready to make a slow dash in the house because I can't afford to fall down out here. Woo. Okay, now we could see it from the inside. Maybe. I know, baby. What's going on? Mama had to get the bird seat in. Look at those chairs. Okay, guys, that was some whoop, whoop, whoopee, whoop it up happening. Ah, look at that tree. Those little birds in the nest. Hold on, babies. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, babies. Hold on. Mama bird, sit still. Don't fall down out of the nest. Oh my goodness. What, baby? What? He goes, Mama, what's going on out there? What is it? No. Oh gosh. Honey, are you okay? Come here. You can look out. Come here. Come here. He just escaped. He didn't like that noise out there. I didn't either. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. You can look out. Look out. There you go. Look at the birds. They're over there in the house, in their little nest, trying to stay in. Look at that rain, guys. Oh, Sugar Lumpus, quit bumping my arm. They can't see nothing. Look out the window. Just take a peek outside at that bad weather. This is the 5th day in a row we've gotten these torrential downpours that just come whipping through. Wow. Sorry about those yard sales, people. Sorry. Sorry about them yard sales. Oh, quit bumping Mama's arm. What's happening out there? I don't have a gutter over here on this side, guys, and it's probably getting... Stop! Stop! What do you think, baby? What? What do you think? Well, I can see that the trash lid blew off. Wow, is that my garbage? Don't even... I'm getting wet. I'm on the inside of my house. Y'all, it's leaking. It's leaking in my house. Great. I have leaks in my house. Oh my goodness. Get a towel. Get a towel. Look. Look. Okay, I gotta get a towel. This is... Oh, why am I getting wet? Hang on, baby. Why in the world? Sugar, what is the deal? Where's it coming? Oh, my Lord. Where's it coming in at? Okay, guys. I'm like seriously leaking in my house. That's the inside. Okay, I'm trying to catch it. I need an umbrella in my house. I need an umbrella inside my house right now. This whole area. Oh, no wonder my sofa smelling all moldy. What is the deal? It's raining in my house. No way. I don't know how old this place is, y'all, but this right here is uncalled for. Are you getting wet? Come on. What's going on, lovey? What is that? What? Your bed is wet. I know. Oh no. So is Mama's curtains. Okay, hang on. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys. This does not make a lick of sense to me. So the whole time I've been gone, this has been leaking every time it rained. No way. Oh, I should have got more than one towel. Sugar's like, hey, what's going on over there? What is that, baby? I hope that box that you're sitting on doesn't have important stuff in it getting wet. No way. Here it comes again. The wind is just bringing it in. Sugar's like, let me play. Want to play with that rain, baby? I couldn't figure out why when I sit on the sofa here, I kept getting a wet smell of something. All those people at the lake right now, chilling. Jesus help them. Yeah, guys, all this is on the inside of my house. And it's still pouring down on me here. Look. So the roof problem was fixed according to maintenance, but what is this? My window is locked. There is not a reason for it to be leaking inside here. Okay. I'm confused. Sugar Lump is like, so what happened? I'm going to turn that on for a minute so you can see all that rain. I don't know where it's coming in at, guys. Sugar, don't climb up, baby. Don't climb up. I don't know. I was thinking it was coming in right here, but no, it is. Coming in up there somewhere. I don't know what y'all can see, but right up in there. Turn that off. Not good. I am wet. This towel is getting wetter. This box is wet. I don't know what else is wet, y'all. Okay, just weird.